G'day bakers and welcome back. Today we're demystifying homemade bread with my go-to recipe for a buttery kneaded loaf with a fantastic crust. Simple ingredients, amazing results. You'll need bread flour for structure, although all-purpose works, instant yeast, sugar for a hint of sweetness and to feed the yeast, salt for flavor, a neutral oil for softness, and importantly, warm milk. Too hot kills the yeast. So think about a warm bathtub. First, whisk your flour, sugar, salt, and yeast together in a big bowl. Make a little well right in the middle, and this is where you'll pour in your warm milk and oil. However, I'm activating my yeast first here in warm milk because I found an older packet and did not know the state of freshness. Mix it all together until you get a shaggy, quite sticky dough. Don't worry about that stickiness yet. We'll cover this and let it rest for just 15 minutes. This optional step is called autolyse, and it lets the flour hydrate and kickstart gluten development, making kneading easier. Dump this rested dough onto a lightly floured surface. Now for the fun part, kneading. Push with the heel of your hand, fold it over, turn it a quarter, and repeat. Do this for about 10 minutes. See how it goes from sticky and messy to smooth and elastic? That's the gluten working its magic. A bench scraper is super helpful here. Now it's time to shape. You can go for a simple log. Just pat it out, roll it up tightly, pinch the seam, and pop it on a greased loaf pan. Or for a fancier look, roll it into a rectangle. Roll that up most of the way, cutting strips on the remaining flap. Fold those strips back over the loaf, carefully placing it back on the pan. Cover it loosely and let it rise in a warm spot until it's nearly doubled. Maybe 30 to 40 minutes, but it's largely dependent on yeast type and freshness. See that puff? That is perfect. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius fan forced, and put an empty oven safe cup in there too. That's for steam. Gently brush your loaf with milk or egg wash for colour, and if you like, make a quick slash on top. Carefully add some hot water to that cup in the oven. Steam really helps with that amazing crust. Now bake your bread for 25 to 30 minutes. That smell is amazing, and look at that colour. It should sound hollow when tapped underneath. Now you need to let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Patience is key for the best texture. And there you have it. Perfect, buttery, homemade bread. Find the full recipe in the description. Happy baking! Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.